Crafting easings to add flavor to motion in SwiftUI. In this animation, the 3D rotation of the circle uses the default ease in out. But we can change the easing equation of the 3D rotation animation in order to add a flavor to the animation. To add flavor to the 3D rotation animation, we can use custom easing equations called penna easing functions. Let's go to the website mattheolane.com. Over here, we have a collection of easing equations called penna equations, which we can use to add flavor to SwiftUI animations. When you select any of these equations, there is also a handle. If you don't like the easing type, you can use the handles in order to change it to whatever easing equation you like. In this animation, we are going to use the one called ease in out back. Ease in out back causes an object to go beyond the boundaries and back again. So what we need to add to the SwiftUI animation is to copy the cubic Bezier parameters. So let's start from here and copy the values. Then we go back to the animation in SwiftUI. Let's put a comment on the animation. Above that, we are going to add the animation modifier again. Now we need to use the timing curve. Over here, we have to select all the parameters and replace them with the one we copied from the website. Let's delay the animation for a period of 1.2 seconds. So let's copy this one and paste it here and preview. The animation happens very fast. So let's reduce the speed by adding the speed modifier just before the delay modifier and set the speed of the animation to 0.2 seconds. So you can see the 3D rotation of the circle goes beyond the boundaries and back again. We can also modify how the equation looks. For example, let's drag this to where we have the horizontal line, and also drag the one below to this side. We can now copy the cubic Bezier values and replace the parameters over here. Let's modify the easing equation again. Now, let's drag the top control handle to this side and copy the cubic Bezier values again. Then we go back to the code and replace the parameters. So you can experiment with different kinds of these penna easing equations to add flavor to the animation you create in SwiftUI.